What's up? This is YouTube celebrity Adrian Jensen recording a video from beyond the grave. I just wanted to make a really quick video to respond to a specific comment that I saw on Reddit. I was just gonna type out an answer, but then I realized it was a lot easier to just show it than try to explain it, so here we are. So this effect is actually super easy. You just need some kind of picture. A color picture will work just fine. I'm using a black and white one because the one in the example video that this person was replying to was in black and white. So that's what I've got here. So what you want to do is you duplicate that twice, right? And then you find this effect called Shift Channel and apply that to each of the layers. Okay, so on this top one here, we're going to change the settings as follows. Take red from red, we'll leave that the way it is, and then we're going to turn the green off and the blue off as well. And this is just now the red channel of that picture. So turn that off. And then on this second one, we're going to turn off the red and the blue, leaving us with the green channel. And I could point out, since this is a black and white image, we could get the same effect using a tint. But if you're using a color image, the shift channels is the way to go. That's what you want to use. Turn that layer off. Now we can see the bottom one, which will make blue. So turn the green off and turn the red off, and there's your blue. So now we have all our different channels. You just select all of them and change them all to add. Now this is gonna add up to our original image. Maybe I should have used a color image for this so you could really see that that still works. Yeah, I might just replace this later and I'll show you. So what we can do now is we can just manipulate these however we want. So you can just like nudge one way a little bit and one the other way a little bit. And now you have that color separation that you were looking for. Or alternatively, kind of reset all those. You can, if you want to get like some fringing on the edge, you can change the sizes of some of these. So on these top two, let's pull up scale by hitting S. And then on this one, we can maybe make it 105. And this one maybe, that's super extreme. We'll make it 101. And this one 102. And now that's a little more subtle. And now on the edge, we have this kind of color fringing. And in the middle, we really don't. So that's how you can do that. Let's reset those again. So in the example video that you were commenting on, man, it was more of a glitchy type effect. So I'm pulling the same picture into a new comp. That's just so I can have this comp be the same size. I'm going to delete the picture, but now I have the dimensions from the picture. And let's add a new solid with some fractal noise. And, it's very simple. Everyone uses this for every single effect all the time. That's cool. And I'm going to put a mosaic effect on it. Maybe let's just make a new solid and make it 50% gray. So we change the brightness of this to 50 and have the other things at 0. That's a 50% gray solid. And we can just fade this out with the opacity. And maybe we can add another solid with fractal noise on it again. And I'm just going to transform it like that. And maybe put a expression on the position of it. Duplicate it, make a couple more. Move them below that initial solid. Alright, so that's going to be the map for our distortion. That's cool. In this original this tutorial is getting way more complicated than I thought it would be. It wasn't supposed to be a full tutorial. So let's bring that in, bring that to the bottom. Definitely turn it off because the fact that these are all on add is kind of messing up, making it so you can see through them. Just solo one of these layers and put a displacement map effect on it. And change our map layer to the layer we just made that I didn't name. There we go. You can see a little distortion. Let's turn it up. So yeah, that was pretty awesome. And then we can copy that effect, paste it on the other two layers. And now when we turn those on, we can see that there's no color shift. But if we just change the numbers on them a little bit, so they're all a little more random, there we go. I think that's pretty much the effect you were looking for, right? Alright, dude, I hope you found this helpful.